right after Yale, I went to Skowhegan for residency. And that was a fantastic time, made a lot more kind of art connections there, a lot more friends. And during that time, I made one of, or filmed one of my kind of most pivotal videos, which is called Let's Dance. It's a 15-minute video where I danced with different people at the residency every day for 30 days. And I ended up editing that and kind of finishing it in 2004. And that became definitely like a seminal piece, and has been in quite a few exhibitions, and really kind of pushed my name out there in terms of video and performance. And since then, you know, I've always kind of kept up my performance and video work, along with installation and some sculpture. But I always find it interesting because when I've talked with, you know, at panels for performance art about performance art, or like with other performance artists, I don't come from a theatrical background. I don't consider myself a super performative artist. I don't ever perform in front of people. I usually document it privately and then show it. So I think out of that kind of process, I've kind of, you know, done a lot of work, and but I think that's going to be changing because I have an upcoming show at the National Portrait Gallery where I'm going to have to perform in front of the public. So going to having never performed in public to possibly hundreds of people is going to be kind of crazy. I'm part of an exhibition that'll be up from October 2022 to January of 2024. And I'll do performances throughout the year, probably 2, possibly 3 performances in the atrium of the National Portrait Gallery.